Alright, so it's, what time is it now? Oops. It's about freaking 5 after 6 in the morning. We're still on the train. We just woke up again. And Tamrico's comment looking out the window was what?
It's freaking Siberia out of here. It's got more snow than Moscow did.
Yeah, there's definitely a lot of freaking snow and trees.
Looks like Dr. Zhivago. There you go. Tell your mom. She says, yes, it does look like Dr. Zhivago out here. Look at that. There's all those fields. We passed a couple of fields that were covered in snow.
Let's hope it's not as sad as Dr. Zhivago.
Huh?
Let's hope it's not as sad.
No, that's not what I meant. I meant the scene.
I know, totally. Some factory.
That felt good for the face. Do you want something to wipe your face down, buddy?
Yeah. Looks like the sun's gonna come up out there somewhere. Just a quick update on the drink situation. In other words, I'm fucking parched. I think I'm gonna take one of these baby wipes and wring it out in my mouth. Drink the soapy water. First thing we're doing when we get off this train, hug. Hey, how you doing? Blah, blah, blah. Where's a drink? Before I get lockjaw. Just joking, tell it's not your fault. Well, after this long ass fucking ride, I'm thinking, what should we do tomorrow night? Take a bus or a train? I'm not sure.
You can at least sleep. Like stretch your legs and sleep.
It's just so expensive.
Well, let's see first what we don't have available around the thing.
So we'll check the bus situation and see.
God, look at the snow. Did you see the
People.
building? Oh my gosh. I mean, look at the building. It's up to the freaking window over there, you see it? And that brown brick building. The Soviet style apartments right now. They're so popular.
Looks like a freaking prison.
Apartment complex with communal housing or regular apartments.
Looks like it should say penal institution on the outside.
He's raised fairly colored Russia.
And I said,
black.
I said penal, not penile.
What the hell is F-man?
Penal is punishment, penile is penis.
Oh, Jesus.
One could be really exciting for people, and the other could be really bad.
Oh, that's gross.
What are those, more cops or army people?
Here. More cops.
Can't tell who's who.
Oh, look, Potsy's all the same.
What?
Potsy's all the same.
Potsies?
Yeah. I sleep with his sisters down here, or some of them did.
Now if Alona and Grisha are watching this, we have to... Well, they probably have seen, what's that movie?
If not, make sure we see it first. My Uncle Vinny.
My uncle, my cousin Vinny. My cousin Vinny. Okay, I think we've seen enough of this brick building.
Okay.
We're not moving, so I'm going to have to go ahead and shut down.
Yeah, honey. Stop wiping your face.
Yes, ma'am.